You don't need to drive around looking for a car. All you need to know is the number 590-6000. If you've got a job and need a car, call this number, 590-6000. Over 100 of the finest cars, trucks, SUVs are here. Call 590-6000. Even if you've been told no to credit, call this number, 590-6000. Save time, save money, and talk to someone who cares. 590-6000. If you're over 18 and take home at least $250 a week, pick up the phone and call World Car at 590-6000. If you have a vehicle that you don't like and you still owe on it, you need to call 590-6000. Lots of places talk, but don't walk the talk. We want to help. Pick up the phone and call World Car at 590-6000, located next to the Rialto Theater. 590-6000.